Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But certainly want to get some things updated here. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of this red line here. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that have watched the video in the past, you know that I've been talking about $1.95 as support. You know, did a good job there, and actually a good job there. But then the price fell below it on that candle, and you can see it's already played out once in terms of support acting as resistance. The price bounced back up and got rejected right there. So while I'm not saying that $1.95 is impossible to break or anything like that, I am saying that you would expect it to act as resistance. And as I already pointed out, you know, right there, it has already acted as resistance. So, you know, the bulls are going to need to bring their A game if they want to be able to fight back up above $1.95. If the price can do that, then the next level to keep an eye on from a resistance standpoint is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. But one step at a time, no point in talking about that one until at least the $1.95 hurdle can be cleared. Now, what about levels of support? Next level up on tap is $1.60, which I mapped out in yesterday's video. You can see quite a bit of history here where the price was bouncing around it. You could easily, if you wanted to call it down here where all these lower shadows are, down at $1.50, that would work too. So if you want to just call it a range from $1.50 to $1.60, I mean, that would work. But I'm going to keep it there at $1.60. And the key level, though, from the big picture perspective, that's it's in sight, is the pink line right here, which is the famous 200-period simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, then I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period, and you know that when the price is above it, and assuming you're bullish, you want to see the price stay above it. So that'll be the key level to watch. As it stands right now, not in play. You still have $1.60 up there, but still a level that you want to, that I wanted to make note of since the price is getting, within the range of it. So we'll see what happens with it. All in all, though, the bulls still have an opportunity to build the long-term uptrend and stay above that pink line. So we'll see what they have in store for tomorrow to close out the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.